First, a wagon wheel rose. So you need one color of embroidery floss cut into a manageable length. You need a little knot at the end, and then you put it through your needle. You do not tie a knot in the needle. You just leave a long enough tail that it won't just fall off. Then you come up through the back. Here we go. Bring it through. And then you're gonna go down. I didn't make any marks, but if it helps, you can always draw like a 5-pronged wheel or a starfish kind of. So you come up through here and go down through around the same place. And you go down. And the same thing about 1, 2, 3 more times. So you can do something with 5 points or 7 points, maybe 3 points, but I don't think that would work as much, but it just has to be an odd number. And I will show you why. All right. So you have 3, and then going through the center, 4, and then 5. All right. And back through the center. Sometimes it gets a little tough up there. Next, you're gonna come up kind of around close to the center, maybe a little even closer. There, that'll be good. Pull it up, and then using this part of your needle, because you don't want to always go through the yarn, it's just a little bit easier. You go over one, under another, and over, under. You're just gonna keep doing this woven wheel, and since you start with an odd number of spokes, you are gonna go over the ones you went under and under the ones you went over. And you pull it, not crazy tight because you want a little bit of volume on this flower. But so under, over, and you just keep on going. So under, over, and under, and over, under, over, under. All right. And sometimes you'll find that you made one that was shorter than the others, and I'll show you what to do there when you get to the end. So over, under, under. You can kind of flesh it out as it gets bigger. you can see it's kind of starting to look like a little rose. And the idea is to keep filling it in until you've almost fleshed out all of the spokes. And right now, you don't want to pull it too tight because you really want it to fill it out. Oops. Over. Then we go under. Over, under. Under. And it looks like this might be about the end. Over, under. And just because this last one is looking like it's a little too long, sometimes I just double back a little bit, because roses in the real world aren't completely symmetrical. And there we go. Here's our woven wheel rose, and then I'll just end it right here. And I'll probably put a leaf on this end, just to make it a little more hidden that I made one of the spokes too long. And there we go.